Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Did you do the problems which I gave yesterday? The assignment which I've sent? I've sent one assignment yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Should I log the meeting or again there will be any entrance?
Better log the meeting, sir, because yesterday in chemistry class there was a boy disturbing the class again.
I've put waiting room.
Okay, sir.
Mirza Hamza Baig.
Our class only, sir.
And remember, when you square cube an identity matrix, what will be I square?
Sir, 1001.
Sir, same, sir. I square same.
What is I square?
Sir, same, sir.
Fayaz Nawab is our class. Hello, Fayaz Nawab.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
And roll number 06, Fadin.
Yes, sir. Our class. Yes, sir. Our class.
Huh. What will be I square then? I into I 1001 into 1001. What does it give, Simon? Same thing now. When you square an identity matrix, it will always give you the matrix back. That's what I'm trying to say. Can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write this if
Sir, both are one.
1 and 1, sir.
Sir, both are one.
answer man.
Sir, one, sir.
Which is one?
Trace of A and trace of B. Both are
Both are
one.
1, sir.
Both are one.
Yes, sir.
No man.
First one, 3.
Sir, first one 3, second 2.
हाँ
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा अभी लाइन पे आया है.
3 and 2.
No man. थोड़ा सोचो. थोड़ा सोचो. Shall I do it?
Sir, second, 3 and 1. Sir, both are 3.
Now look here. Zahiruddin Adnan entered the waiting room. There is no roll number and all.
Sir, he is from our class only.
Our class only.
Yes, sir.
Shall I admit him?
Yes, sir.
Look here, man. What is A square? What is A into A? Into row with a column, row with a column, row with a column. First row with the first column. What does it gives you? What does it gives you? 1. First row with the first column, what does it gives you?
0.
First row with the third column, what does it gives you? Second row with the first column, what does it gives you? Second row with second column, what does it gives you? Second row with second column, what does it gives you? Oh, sorry, second row with third column, what does it gives you? Third row with the first column, what does it gives you? Third row with second column, what does it gives you? Third row with third column, what does it gives you? What is this called? What is A par B's B's? What is A par B's B's?
I.
Square whole par 10 10. A square whole par 10 10. समान नंबर
whole class only.
square whole par 10 10. What is A square man? I par 10 10. So what will be trace of A par B's B's? Trace of I. What will be trace of this?
3.
1 plus 1 plus 1. Hello? What is A par 2019 man? A into, bolo. A par 2018. A into A par A square whole par 1009. Am I correct? A into, what is A square man? I par 1009. What is I par 1009? I par 1009. I. So that will be. So hence, what will be trace of A par B1 is trace of A par B1 is trace of
1.
A par 2019 will be trace of A. Trace of A means this matrix 0 plus 1 plus 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
the first step, why are we first squaring it and then multiplying and then squaring it again with 10 power 10?
First step?
Sir, in the first step, why are we squaring it first? Can't we take directly A power 2020?
What do you mean? Can't you take direct? That means you will write that matrix 20 times and multiply. What, ma'am? Will you take that matrix 20 times and multiply?
Yes, sir.
Then. Can I proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Wait. Write this if a square is equal to 2a minus I. Wait man. If come on.
Sir, 3, sir, both are
Both are?
3.
It's a matrix, man. How can it be a number? Hello?
I did transfer, sorry, sir. I, both are I.
It's a matrix, man.
I, sir, I.
No. No. Anybody? I'm waiting, man.
Sir, I.
No. Look here. What is AQ?
A square into
A
A.
square. What is A square? What is this? Agreed. बच्चे लोग agreed.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is A square again? What does it gives you?
Sir, 2a square minus ai, no?
Sir, load 2i.
AI is A. Somebody JL4012 Sheikh Irshad.
Our class.
Class also.
Is he from our class?
Yes, sir.
Sir, our class only, sir. Sheikh.
4A minus 2I minus A. What does it give you, man?
Sir, in third step, what did you took common, sir?
Pardon me. A into A square. A square is
Sorry,
2A.
fifth step.
Step.
Sir, you took two commons in that in above the.
Third step.
Below that, sir.
Sir, that is A square. He took the value of A square.
I took the value of A
First step
square.
you took the value
Sir,
of
below
A.
that.
No, sir. I'm talking about
Sir, third
from
step also
last
again you
third
took.
step, sir.
Third step, sir.
So he's talking about third step.
A square is 2A minus I. I substituted back. I'll do it again, man. You listen to this carefully. क्या बचे जी? A into A square. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A into what is A square?
2A minus
Multiply. What does it gives you?
2A square minus 3A.
2A square. What is A square again?
2A minus
What is AI?
A.
What is this? Such a simple thing, man.
Got
Now, can you draw inference?
Yes, sir.
Compare these two. A cube, A square, 2A आया, 1 कम आया. A cube, 3A आया, 1 कम आया. So on till you should not do A power 4, A power 5, A power 6. You should not do this problem for 10 days and find out A power 2020. थोड़ा दिमाग use करा. What does your damag says?
2020 A minus 2019
A par
I.
B's B's. What is A par B's B's?
2020 A
Minus
2019
B's one is I. A par 2020 will be B's B's A minus B's one is I. So what will be A par N? Follow? NA.
N minus 1I.
A famous problem on trace. Yeah, answer first one. What are the two properties I'll be using here? Trace of A is equal to trace of
Transpose.
A transpose. Trace of K into trace of A. Trace of A plus or minus B.
Trace of A plus or minus trace of B.
These are the three properties. Take trace inside. What's the first equation? Take trace inside. What's the first equation? Follow. Should I write B transpose? No.
No.
Second equation. Take it inside. What is it? इसको x बोलो, इसको y बोलो. Easy for us. What's the first equation? Second equation. Solve for x and y, madam. बच्चों लोग आंसर में multiply second equation by 3. What does it gives you? Multiply second equation by 3. Subtract them. These two will cancel off. Plus 15 minus 4. 5 minus 21.
Minus
5
16.
minus 21. How much, man? Is it minus
16.
16? What is x? Sixteen fives. 77 minus 80. What does x stands for? Trace of A. What does y stands for? Trace of B. Any calculation errors? Please check. Do the next one. It is there on the board. Can I clear this off?
Sir.
A very, very famous problem. Examiner's favorite question for JEE mains and advanced. First, hello. First thing. Since trace of Ka is equal to K into trace of A, what is your K? What is your K?
1/2.
Half. Second one, what is K? 1/4. Third one, 1/8. Trace of is this a first step clear all of you? अभी हमको proceed होने के लिए what is the step?
Sir, how are you getting K in this?
How are you taking?
The value of K.
Here K is 1. Here K is half. Here K is 1/4. Here K is 1/8.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, look here. What is BC? बच्चे लोग BC. What is B? 3, 4, 2, 3. C. 3 minus 4 minus 2, 3. Come on, multiply. Tell me what is BC? What's the number?
1.
9 minus 8. Next, minus 12 plus 12.
0.
Next, 6 minus 6. Next, minus 8 plus 9. क्या देगा? 1 0 0 1. What is 1 0 0 1? 1 0 0 1. What is it called? Identity matrix I. Therefore, what is A into BC? A into I. Look at second one. What is A into BC whole square? A into I square. I square is I. A into I. A. Or we shall write this way. Third term. बच्चे लोग. What is A into BC whole cube? A into I cube. A into I. Therefore, substitute all this in the given equation. What do given equation become, Sterling? Trace of A plus half of next 1/4 of next 1/8 of so until where? Infinity. From the entire expression, Mohammad Yasir Shahid, roll number 36.
Yes,
अपने
please,
क्लास का
sir.
बंदा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सब में से क्या कॉमन ले सकते हैं?
1/2.
क्या कॉमन ले
Trace of
सकते हैं? हाँ, trace of A common 1 plus 1/2 square. What is this?
Sum to infinite terms of the system.
GP. Sum to infinite terms. What is trace of A? What is trace of A?
Three.
Trace of A,
Three.
बोलो जी.
3.
2 plus 1 into A by 1 minus R. Can I proceed?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Sir,
बोलो.
can't we take the GP in the starting itself, sir?
What?
Can't we take the GP, the starting itself in the first step?
What?
GP, sir. Geometric progression.
I took in the first step only geometry progression. But first step you cannot take common. Without taking common, how can you take GB man? Mohammad Shoaib. Without taking common, how can you take GB man?
So we can take common ratio, right? Trace of ABC by 2 divided by trace of A. We will get BC by 2. Trace of BC by 2 we will get.
Without taking common, how can you take man? Without taking trace common, how can you apply GP? You cannot.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
1 minute.
I asked, can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
It is P transpose Q par 2020 P. Q is given to you. Find Q square. Find Q cube. Then conclude. Hint. Hint. What is Q square? Start doing this. What is Q square then? What is Q? Into. Bachar, agreed? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only look at the screens. Don't look here and there. This was asked thrice in JEE mains. Once in advance exam, thrice in mains, once advanced exam, thrice in mains. Very, very important problem. All of you, please look at your respective screens. Do not write. Look here. P, A. I'll pair these two. What are they? Agreed so far?
Yes, sir.
बच्चे लोग agreed so far? Now, what is P transpose into P? P is this. What is your P transpose into P? What is your P transpose?
Root 3 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, root 3 by 2.
Into, what is your P? Multiply these two, what will I get? Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. How much, man?
3 by 4 plus 1 by 4.
3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Next wala. Next wala. Bolo, man.
By 4
Root 3 by 4.
root 3 by 4, yes, sir. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 2.
Oh, this is also wrong way, you know. What is this?
Root 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2.
Last wala. What will I get? If you say yes, I'll proceed. If you say if you agree, I'll proceed.
Yes, sir. Agree.
Yes, sir.
I'm moving ahead. So what is your P transpose into P? I. P A. So this is P into. I'm pairing these two. AI. AI is A. What is this? A into A. Ah. Mohammad Abid, roll number 15, waiting room. Should I enter?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mohammad Abid. Now look here. Q square क्या आया? Q में these two are fixed, power is 1. Q square में these two are fixed, बीच वाला became a square. Can you guess what will be Q par 20? Hence, बच्चे लोग, what is Q par 20? बोलो.
Into about 2020 people P transpose.
What is Q par 20? Q par 20 बोलो. P
About 2020.
A par. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Sir.
Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Can I proceed?
Yes.
I'm moving ahead. I'm moving ahead. Remember, what am I interested in? I'm interested in P transpose Q par 20 P. P transpose into, what is Q par 20?
About
P.
2020.
This is P.
About
A par 20
P transpose.
transpose into P. What is P transpose into P? I. P transpose into P. I. So this is I into A par 20. This is I. So what is this ultimately? A par 20. Once advanced exam, 3 times mains exam. Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Now, pay attention. What is your A? एक एक शून्य एक. What is A square? एक एक शून्य एक into एक एक शून्य एक. Multiply 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1. A square is 1101. Sorry, A is 1101. A square is 1201. What will be A cube?
1301.
Similarly, A cube will be 1301. A par 4 1401. हमको क्या चाहिए? A par 20. What is A par 20? 1
1 20 0 1.
Every year 2014 में पूछा, he made instead of Q par 2020 he gave Q par 2014. 17 में पूछा, instead of 2020 he gave 2017. He's changing the years. Same problem. Clear? Chalo, copy this. Very important. Very simple problem, man. Lengthy in procedure. Logically, there is nothing much in the problem. Procedure wise, lengthy. Logically, very weak.
Excuse me,
Yeah, I'm listening. Tell me.
sir. When we multiplied Q square, Q into Q, what did you combine here? Combined there?
Can you?
What did you combine over there?
P transpose and P. Because matrix multiplication is associative.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Matrix में interchange of brackets is possible because I am not changing order. Left का right, right का left नहीं बनाना. A B को B A नहीं बनाना. Did I anywhere change left to right and right to left?
No, sir.
No.
No. Did I interchange brackets? Yes. Interchange of brackets is possible because matrix multiplication is associative. Brackets interchange possible, but elements interchange possible? No. We cannot make left ka right, right ka left.
Done, sir.
Finished? Please let me know once you're done.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Chalo, can I
Yes,
clear
sir.
it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no, tell me when.
Yes, sir.
Now, some more names. Look at what sort of
Square.
Square matrix.
rule number 35. It's a square matrix. Aij dash. Remember where we read the symbol dash somewhere? Where was it? Transpose.
Transpose.
That means what happens here? Such a matrix is called how you construct a symmetric matrix. A11. These two, whatever you want, you put. These two, whatever you want, you put. A11 equal to A dash 11. A22 equal to A dash 22. So these two must be equal. But A12, A21. So these two must be equal. That means these two must be equal. What sort of a matrix is this? This is an symmetric matrix. Look here. A11, 12, below 22, 2 3 बोलो 3 1 3 2 3 3. These three entries, do whatever you want, do whatever you want, do whatever you want. This entry must be equal to this entry. This entry must be equal to this entry. This entry must be equal to this entry. I am putting -7. I'll write 2. Below -7, this is A12. What should be this entry?
2.
I'm putting -5. What's the position? A13, A31. Diagonal. I'm putting alpha. Here, I'm putting 3. What should be this entry? What sort of a matrix is this? This is an symmetric matrix. Check for it.
Yes, sir.
Check for this. What is the first row? This first row, 1 3. Are row and column equal? First row, first column? Yes. Second row, 3 minus 4. Second column, 3 minus 4. Second row equal to second column. What are such matrices called? Symmetric matrices. Once again, first row, -7, 2, -5. First column, -7, 2, -5. Second row, second column. Third row, third column. Now, अगर रिवर्स हो गया, रिवर्स हो गया, Aij इक्वल टू, इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब क्या है? What is A11 equal to? A22 equal to? A33 equal to? Bring this here. What does it become? What is A11? बोलो, 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 बोल दिया, बोल दिया. What happens here? What happens here? What happens here? बोलो. A is equal to. What is such a matrix called? Skew symmetric matrix. Now, as soon as you look at a skew symmetric matrix, what are these? A11, A22, A33. A11, A22, A33 are diagonal entries. How are the diagonal entries of a skew symmetric matrix? In a skew symmetric matrix, diagonal entries will always be zeros. In the first go, as soon as you stare at a matrix, as soon as you look at a matrix, how do you identify skew symmetric matrix? Its diagonal entries will be zeros. How are the non-diagonal entries? Look here. These three are equal. These two are equal. Here should be minus sign. Mane 3. So what should be the entry here? Minus 3. 2 minus 2 minus 5 plus 5. 3 minus 3. That will happen in case of a skew symmetric matrix. Can you give me example? I am constructing a 2 cross 2 skew symmetric matrix. What's the first entry? A11. What is A11? 0. Yeah, minus 7 लिया. What should be the entry?
7.
I am planning to construct a 4 cross 4 skew symmetric matrix. Bolo. First entry 0 minus 4 5 minus 8. Tell me entry here.
4.
Minus
4.
4. Tell me entry here. It is a 5. Entry here minus 5 minus 8
Plus 8.
plus 8. Bro, next entry. This is 8
0.
0 minus 7 3. Entry here 7. Entry here minus 3 0 1 minus 1. Which is a 4 cross 4 cross 4. What matrix? Skew symmetric matrix. I repeat, as soon as you look at a matrix, as soon as you stare at a matrix, as soon as you look at a matrix, how do you identify a skew symmetric matrix? A skew symmetric matrix is identified whenever you look at its diagonal entries. All the diagonal entries are always zeros. The entries here, they'll be of opposite sign. Clear? Obvious. Details, applications on this tomorrow.
Completed.
Completed, sir.
Done, sir.
Go to home.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We shall continue tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye bye, sir.